Right, so we're in the garage, and there's something very satisfying about filling this side of the hull. Now, someone made a comment, forgive me, I don't remember the name, but someone said it is called a spontoon. Maybe I read that wrong, I don't know. But yes, I'm filling the spontoon with foam. Something, like I said, very satisfying about packing this foam in here like that. So it's packed all the way up to the end, and I'm going to continue all the way down till that end while the other side of it dries. So definitely making a lot of progress. So it has been a pretty long morning here, but I just wanted to come out early and get the second sponson done. I'm pretty sure that's how it's pronounced. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments, which I need to be corrected. So yeah, just basically just finished the other side, filled it all with foam, and basically it's all just glued up. And while that was waiting, I end up giving the little fuel tank a little clean. I've got to clean the inside of it, but I've cleaned the outside, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, looks nice, so it'll work well. It's not overly that big. It's got the mounting brackets there, and obviously one through the inside, which is going to make it extremely sturdy. So I could either mount this either way. I guess I could mount it vertical, flat. So yeah, if anyone likes this video or likes what I'm doing, it's very much appreciated that someone comments and likes, or even just says, you know, hey, listen, good job, or whatever. It really gives me a kick in the behind to keep going with the project. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, everyone. I'll see everyone in the next video. So what does everyone reckon? When it's done, we'll put Spider-Man in the driver's seat. Wish his head would turn. He'll just give the thumbs up. That'll do.